Hello boys and girls, just doing my first vlog today, my actual first vlog on YouTube. I'm kind of excited, but yeah, we're just doing a small car meet here with my three homies here. We got three Civic Type Rs, FK8 Type Rs, and we're just gonna go head to my buddy's car shop. He's having a year-end barbecue at KZ Auto Group. Yeah, stay tuned and enjoy the vlog. Sit back and relax, pick up some popcorn, and enjoy the vlog. We're just at KZ Auto Group here. We're at the barbecue. Just a bunch of car enthusiasts here, just checking it out. But yeah, we got some crazy cars here. But oh, sorry, my gimbal's going kind of like whack. This is my two friends here, Pius. Hello. This is Eddie. I will link their Instagrams down below. He's a mechanic. Eddie's a mechanic, and Pius is a restaurant owner. Yeah, I'll link his Instagram below, and yeah, just enjoy the vlog. This is KZ Auto Group here. Hold on, let me just get this right here. You got KZ Auto Group, and here's the owner, Kieran. He's hiding, he's camera shy. But yeah, what do you do at the shop?
Yeah, we do modifications, detailing, and then also, tunings, and then the wheels, tires, everything. Yeah.
Okay, awesome. I will link your Instagram link below, and you know, if anyone needs any car detailing, any ceramic coating, or even modifications, come to the shop in Victoria, BC at 548 Alpha Street. Okay, awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah. Let's see who's playing the simulator right now.
Hello.
There's a prize
on
the line.
Hello.
There's a prize on the line.
We got this mechanic here rubbing something. Connor, how's it going? Check out this Lambo here. It's my friend Richard. His YouTube channel is Dude on Track. I'll link it below, but check out this Huracan. Thinking it's a 2017, but this thing is crazy. Look at this. Crazy.
run, go. Like that, like that.
No, I didn't get it yet.
哇，水貨唔好咁大聲佢。
Football is coming. I bought it.
Hi.
Are you vlogging?
I don't know. I'm just messing around with Andy's GoPro, so
okay.
I'm just gonna make some videos. Oh, all black cars here. Just making videos and shit.
He said that he's still on the stock injector.
Yeah, he said that to me.
Unless you go
Maybe it's the replacement bomb.
like I would only run this at like 7 pounds.
Take the video.
So how did you
this GoPro? Yeah, GoPro. You can actually
No,
see.
but how did you do this? Did you use GoPro or you hooked up your phone?
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, and then you take.
Why is the road cage white?
Same sound.
The calipers are yellow.
Stick another what do we call the
Jackie's filming now.
the exhaust sound? Blocking?
Oh, let's film some shit, man.
It's crazy, man. Yeah, he's his same setup. 2 GoPros hooked
Yeah.
up to his car.
Yo, man,
The same.
there's some good shit in here that I filmed.
Good. Don't worry, I'll take some clips from it. Yeah, but yeah, it's good.
Much more.
Yeah, for sure. Hey, Jackie, you want to do a cruise tomorrow? Last cruise of the week.
Yeah, I can cruise
For me.
for a bit tomorrow.
It might be my last cruise. I don't know. I might be able to cruise next week too, but we'll see.
Maybe let me know tomorrow. I'll see what's up.
Hey, Eddie, you said you want to cruise tomorrow, right? Yeah. Tomorrow's sunny.
See what time? Yeah. I want it, yeah.
I'm gonna give my gimbal a rest for a bit.
Some Civic guys right here. I wish I was one of them, but
Civic guy.
you know.
Civic guys.
Oh, you gotta get in there too, man. You guys,
Civic.
you guys gotta be Civic guys. I'm
Camera shy.
I would like to be in there, but I can't afford to own my dream car, so.
You got an M3. Dude, he's talking about Civics and he owns an M3.
Hey, anybody that knows that EK is my dream car, okay?